DOGECOIN cost commonly equivalent to $0.0806 a coin, or so they in every practical sense thought. The present exchanged cost range, 0.0804-0.0822 in a kind of enormous manner. The earlier day close, 0.0819. Or so they basically thought. The change for the most part was 0.0013, 1.59%. Backwards rate, United States dollars to Doge in an unobtrusive way. DOGECOIN value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month in a sort of significant manner. DOGECOIN cost expectation on Friday. Walk 3, cost $0.083, kind of most extreme 0.089, by and large least 0.077, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. DOGECOIN conjecture on Monday. Walk 6, cost $0.081, greatest 0.087, least 0.075 in a significant way. DOGECOIN cost expectation on Tuesday. Walk 7, cost $0.082, essentially greatest 0.088 in every practical sense, least 0.076 in a kind of significant way. DOGECOIN estimate on Wednesday. Walk 8, cost $0.083, essentially greatest 0.089, all things considered, least 0.077, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. In multi-week DOGECOIN cost expectation on Thursday. Walk 9, cost $0.082 in every way that really matters, most extreme 0.088, fundamentally least 0.076, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. DOGECOIN gauge on Friday. Walk 10, cost $0.079, extremely greatest 0.085, certainly least 0.073. Essentially further appearance how DOGECOIN estimate on Monday. Walk 6, cost $0.081, truly most extreme 0.087, beautiful least 0.075 in an unpretentious way. DOGECOIN cost expectation on Monday. Walk 13, cost $0.078, genuinely most extreme 0.083, especially least 0.073, which sort of is very huge. DOGECOIN estimate on Tuesday. Walk 14, cost $0.078, really most extreme 0.083, lovely least 0.073 in an unpretentious way. DOGECOIN cost expectation on Wednesday. Walk 15, cost $0.075 in every practical sense, most extreme 0.080, exceptionally least 0.070, showing how the earlier day close, 0.0819, or so they in a real sense thought. In about 14 days DOGECOIN estimate on Thursday. Walk 16, cost $0.076, exceptionally greatest 0.081, especially least 0.071, or so they basically thought. DOGECOIN cost expectation on Friday. Walk 17, cost $0.074, kind of greatest 0.079, all things considered, least 0.069, which essentially is very critical. DOGECOIN gauge on Monday. Walk 20, cost $0.075, sort of most extreme 0.080, especially least 0.070, which truly shows that in multi-week DOGECOIN cost forecast on Thursday. Walk 9, cost $0.082, especially greatest 0.088, truly least 0.076, which explicitly is genuinely critical. DOGECOIN cost expectation on Tuesday. Walk 21, cost $0.077, genuinely greatest 0.082, genuinely least 0.072. DOGECOIN figure on Wednesday. Walk 22, cost $0.074, sort of greatest 0.079, by and large least 0.069, which certainly is genuinely critical. In 3 weeks DOGECOIN cost forecast on Thursday. Walk 23, cost $0.079, lovely greatest 0.085, least 0.073 in a huge way. DOGECOIN gauge on Friday. Walk 24, cost $0.080, genuinely most extreme 0.086, genuinely least 0.074, showing that in 3 weeks DOGECOIN cost forecast on Thursday. Walk 23, cost $0.079, essentially greatest 0.085, certainly least 0.073, which fundamentally is very critical. DOGECOIN cost expectation on Monday. walk 27, cost $0.079, beautiful greatest 0.085, sort of least 0.073, which generally is very huge. DOGECOIN estimate on Tuesday, walk 28, cost $0.079, certainly most extreme 0.085, beautiful least 0.073, which by and large is very critical. DOGECOIN cost forecast on Wednesday, walk 29, cost $0.079, beautiful greatest 0.085, really least 0.073, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. In about a month DOGECOIN gauge on Thursday, walk 30, cost $0.079, extremely greatest 0.085, especially least 0.073, which is genuinely critical. DOGECOIN cost forecast on Friday, walk 31, cost $0.071, especially greatest 0.076, beautiful least 0.066, which in a real sense is very huge. DOGECOIN conjecture on Monday, April 3, cost $0.069, essentially greatest 0.074, extremely least 0.064, or so they thought. United States dollars to Doge swapping scale really equivalent to 12.4008 coins per $1. Today's reach, 12.1595 12.4347, which truly is genuinely huge. The past day's nearby, 12.2055, which by and large is genuinely huge. Change for now plus 0.1953, plus 1.60%, or so they really thought. United States dollars to Doge cost conjecture 4. In the not-so-distant future and month, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. Dollar to DOGECOIN conjecture on Friday, walk 3, cost 12.048 coins, by and large greatest 12.987, genuinely least 11.236, which for the most part is very huge. United States dollars to Doge expectation on Monday, walk 6, cost 12.346 coins, especially greatest 13.333. Sort of least 11.494 in a sort of significant manner. Dollar to DOGECOIN figure on Tuesday, walk 7, cost 12.195 coins, essentially most extreme 13.158, least 11.364, which in a real sense is very huge. United States dollars to Doge expectation on Wednesday, walk 8, cost 12.048 coins, beautiful most extreme 12.987. Sort of least 11.236, showing how in about a month DOGECOIN estimate on Thursday, walk 30, cost $0.079, kind of greatest 0.085, sort of least 0.073 in a genuinely significant manner. In multi-week dollar to DOGECOIN estimate on Thursday, walk 9, cost 12.195 coins, most extreme 13.158, kind of least 11.364, or so they sort of thought. United States dollars to Doge